Community gardening is more than just growing plants. It's about cultivating relationships, improving health, and fostering sustainability. Engaging in community gardening offers numerous benefits. First, it provides a sense of belonging and purpose. When individuals come together to cultivate a garden, they share knowledge, resources, and experiences, creating a strong social network. This enhanced community spirit can combat the isolation many people feel, especially in urban areas. Secondly, community gardens promote healthier eating habits. Participants gain access to fresh fruits and vegetables, which can improve their diets and encourage cooking with whole foods, reducing reliance on processed options. Additionally, gardening is a fantastic form of physical exercise. It involves various activities such as digging, planting, weeding, and harvesting, helping to improve physical fitness and mental well-being. Lastly, community gardens contribute to environmental sustainability. They use organic practices, promote biodiversity, and reduce urban heat. They also educate individuals about ecological stewardship, fostering a deeper connection to nature. By joining a community garden, you can experience these benefits while contributing to a greener planet and building lasting friendships in your neighborhood.